This week on Ken's Tech Lab, we're going to try and replace the sticker on the X1 Carbon's steel sheet. Stay tuned. Okay, let's try to replace the steel sheet sticker. Now, everybody knows that has an X1 Carbon that the Bambu cool plate is just a cool surface for your lower temp prints like PLA, PETG, stuff like that. Now, with the LiDAR system in the X1 Carbon that actually checks the first layer of the print, cannot go through a full steel sheet. So what they did at Bambu was they fixed that by adding a sticker over the top. Now what this sticker does sometimes is it gets bumps in it or starts releasing from the plate itself and has bubbles. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a bubble right here. So I went on the internet looking for a video on how to replace this sticker, and I could not find one. The only thing that I could find was instructions from Bambu Labs themselves that say, remove the sticker, clean the build surface, the plate, use tape to tape the new one on and line it up perfectly, and then start putting it down slowly. So that's what we're going to try to do today. So just bear with me, and I'm going to try to get this done in one take, but I might have to do a lot of editing on this one if it doesn't go out right. So let's start this procedure. The first thing that we need to do is take the old sticker off of the plate. And right here is where it's on this side, and it's right here. So I've got a few things here. The Bambu Labs has a printout, and they come with a to take things off the bed real easy, so you can take it off. Maybe we can use that also to take the sticker off itself. Okay, what I'm doing is just taking that little and kind of releasing it off of the plate little by little. There we go. Does everybody sees that? Voila, plate off. So this is nothing but, they call this a sticker, and it's replaceable. Now from Bambu Labs, I did order another plate, another hot plate for another build plate. And I don't know when that's gonna come in. Shipping is coming from China. So let's clean this surface. Let me get some alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. Spray a little bit on here. Clean it with a clean cloth. This really helps the sticker so it sticks like it should. Okay. There we go. Nice and clean. Now the others, you get 2 stickers with it, but they put them back to back with tape on here, so I need to cut the tape off of this without cutting the sticker itself. Okay, let's just bend that back over again. Okay, easy. Okay, we don't need both of these, we only need to use one of them, so we'll put one of them away. Now, what it says in the instructions, but like I said, I looked for a video and I could not find one, was it said to get the corners lined up perfectly. And I'm going to say that it's probably the back corners. Use some tape, and what I'm doing is I'm using painter's tape, which is best, I believe, for this. It doesn't tell you which tape to use, it just says use tape. So what I'm going to do is put some tape on that side. Take some tape and put it on that side. Okay. I'm going to line up as perfectly as I can, and I am not good at perfectly getting things on. And I'm going to take the tape and I'm going to wrap it around to the back side of the build plate. All right. So you see that everything is on both sides of the build plate. Okay. Now I'm going to lift off. Now it's like a book. So now we can open it up. Let's see how well we can get the adhesive backing off. There we go. Took a little bit of finesse, but we got it. All right, we're not taking it all off. We're just going to take off some of it. And what we're going to do, since the tape has it where it should be perfectly back on again, we're going to take it and start pressing it down. Now what I'm doing is on the underneath, I'm pulling the backing off while I'm actually pressing down. Now I also have, I printed this out from the Bambu. It actually is part of the prints that are built into it. One of these little scrapers, plastic scrapers, this is just PLA, which should not scratch the surface. And I'm going to use this to have it go down, push it out more, pull it out more. And it says do this a little bit at a time so there's no bubbles. Bubbles are bad on the surface due to the fact that the bubble will be a higher surface. So even if it does its calibration, the bubble might not actually, it might not take into account that bubble and make your prints all bad. So here I go some more. Pull it out some more. And again, I'm just doing this a little bit at a time, using this tool and just making sure that there's no air underneath the sticker. Okay, I just pulled it all the way off. Here we go. We're going to get it all the way down. Here we are, fully put on. There's the hot side for the higher print, the higher temp prints. Here's the cool side. Perfectly aligned. Make sure that your holes line up right there, because when it does read, it actually looks at this right here and says what plate that you have loaded, so it finds out. So let's take the tape back off. Okay, make sure that we're all down here. Off. Off. There you go. A brand new sticker on your build plate. Now you can start printing all over again with no flaws in the build plate at all. The old one that I took off with all the prints that I've done on this, and I've done carbon fiber prints, I've done PETG, and a lot of PLA, and one that has not been printed on. This is like brand new again. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a short video, but it was just to let you like a learning how to put this on, since I could not find a video on this. And leave your comments below. I'd like to thank everybody for joining for this little short video today. Don't forget to smash the like button and ring the bell for your notifications, and I'll see you on next time. Stay awesome.